Okay, so today we're gonna be working with place value. Okay, Bella?
Okay.
And so we're gonna be talking about ones. We're gonna be talking about
Ones, tens, and hundreds.
ones, tens, and hundreds. We don't have any thousands, but we're gonna be also talking about three signs, which is greater than,
Equal to, and less than.
equal to, and less than. So, do you want to look at these? How many of these cubes? Because how much is this?
One.
One. So how much is this?
10.
10. You want to count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, 10. So if I want to make one of those, how many do I need?
10.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. And then if I put 10, what's going to happen? Are they the same thing?
If you put 10, they're going to be the same thing.
Okay. So there's 10 of those little ones inside one of those big ones? Yes? And how many of those 10s are in here?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10. Okay, and what about those small ones? How many do you think there are inside of these? These little 100?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you're right. There's 100 of them. And this is called a flat. Okay, so we're going to take out this dice and we're going to play a little game.
Expand it, roll it, and make it.
So first we're going to do this one. So first, since we don't have thousands, we don't have tens of these, or we don't have a cube, which would be 1,000. We're just gonna start with this one, okay?
It's like this one, but more bigger.
Yes, and so
It's gonna be.
do you wanna roll the die? The dice.
5.
5. Do you have the marker? Okay. Oh, it's over here. So 5. Do you want to write 5 under the 100? Wait, I think we don't have 5. So let's see. Do it again. 1. Let's do 1.
Okay.
2. You could do that at the end. And then the last one. That was a crazy one. It's 4. So our number is 124. So do you think you could use this to do 124?
Let's see. 2.
That was really fast, Bella. So it's 124. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try another one.
Do I write it at the bottom?
Yes, you can write at the bottom. So I'm going to do it this time, okay? And then you're going to tell me what number that is. Okay, let's do a hard one. Okay. Can I see it?
Mm-hmm.
So it's 400.
3, 1.
Okay, so what number is that?
431.
Okay, so how many hundreds do I have to get?
4.
So do you want to get 4?
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4.
4. Okay, so how many tens did we get? 300? 3 tens.
300. 1, 2, 3.
And what about ones?
1.
431. Okay. So I have another tricky one. What about 101?
Oh. 101.
So you used one of those and a one. But what if I told you, you know what, Bella, you can't use these. How would you make 100? What's another way to make 100?
90 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So it's how much?
10.
So is that the same thing? 100. So there's different ways to make 101?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do something different. So let's look at this chart. It has a little crocodile. It's called comparing numbers. Deciding if numbers are larger, smaller, or the same. So this is a crocodile. And we have a smaller one over here. And it says greater than. Then we have another one and it says equal to. And the last one says less than. So this crocodile is really, really hungry. And guess what? It wants to eat a lot.
This one wants to eat a lot. This one wants to eat a little bit. And this one wants to eat the equal to.
So then this one likes the biggest number because it's really hungry. So if you were really hungry, would you want to eat a lot or a little bit?
A lot.
A lot. So this one eats the biggest number. So this one is always eating the biggest number. Remember that, okay? Now we're going to do another activity. So we already did that part. And so let's do this one. We're going to do the second part of that one. So we're going to do this one where we're going to get these cards. And then you're going to pick a card. And then you're going to compare them.
1,000.
And 879. So you want to use your signs? So 1,000 is greater than 879. What if I said, let's switch? Okay, let's do a harder one for you because you're really smart. What if I said, you know what, what if I said, can you, let's pick another card. 900. Okay, which one's the biggest number? So 1,000 is what? Greater than? You want to show the little crocodile? So why did you put it towards the 1,000?
Because it's greater. It goes like this. It won't eat the other one because it's smaller. If you switch it, it would eat the biggest number too. But if you switch it, it can't be right because if it's like less than and it eats a 900, whenever you have 1,000, you can't do that because that won't make sense.
Good job, Bella.